Amen. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Amen. My name is Sister Nelly, and this song is a song by Musikatha. And you know, this song is, ano naman tayo ngayon, Tagalog naman tayo. So, for English kanina. So, let's sing Tagalog songs. And this song is talagang, minsan nakakapag-ano sa atin sa mundo, di ba? Feeling natin all our achievements, all that we have, material things, and ang ating sarili, mostly, di ba? Feeling natin is parang we are already fulfilled everything, but sabi natin when we are in the Lord, no, dapat yung buhay natin is kulang pa, sabi nga ganon, hindi sapat yung maibibigay natin yung buhay natin sa Kanya. But also we have to give our hearts. So forget about everything, no? Sabi nga, even yung ating mga material things, hindi sapat yan sa Panginoon. Kasi yung love niya sa atin is more than enough, di ba? So let us offer this song to Him. And kung alam niyo po yung song, let us join kayo sa akin to sing this song. So let us song this.